Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple Watch SE to your iPhone. So first, let's start off by actually grabbing a charger for the Apple, and let's actually go ahead and plug this. So with your Apple Watch, we're going to go ahead and make sure that it actually is charging. So once that's charging, let's go ahead and go into your iPhone and we're going to search up watch. So watch should be this icon right here. And afterwards, we're going to click on the discover button or my watch and then click on all watches. And then we're going to click on add watch. Then we're going to click on setup for myself. And so once your Apple SE watch is loaded, we're going to go ahead and scan it with this icon here, just like this. So now it should be paired. Now from here, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts. So with that, we're just going to click on continue, and then it should take a couple minutes to actually go ahead and connect to this watch here. And we're going to accept the terms and conditions. And then if you want to add a passcode, you don't have to. You can choose don't use passcode. Then we're going to click on continue. Then we're going to skip the sleep schedule, continue, and it's going to sign into our account, which again should take a few minutes. So from here, you're just going to let it go ahead and load, which should again take a few minutes. So now the Apple Watch is syncing and you can see that it's indicated by this white bar here. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that load. But after this finishes syncing, you'll get an alert when it's done. So you can actually go ahead and use your iPhone as you normally would. And yeah. So that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Apple SE watch to your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.